Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a little bit of an explanation here for the mammalian groups assignment that we have here. So this is another one where you're looking to fill out a chart to compare a lot of the different groups of mammals that we covered in the slideshow. So again, it's a lot of different groups, but we're not asking for a lot of information here. So the parts that you're filling out, first part here is just how they give birth. Do they lay eggs? Do they do early birth and a pouch combination? Or is it late birth and they let the young gestate in the womb? So again, think about the groups that we talked about at the beginning of the slideshow presentation to help you with explaining that part. Think of one physical characteristic of the group, so something that kind of makes that group unique, something that you would find in that group of mammals that you wouldn't necessarily find in another group of mammals. Just any physical characteristic will be fine. And then you want an example animal. You can either put a word or insert a picture here. So again, you just want one animal that fits that particular group. And as I put a note here, you may want to use the Animal Diversity Web as a resource for each group. So for example, let's say that I wanted to look at Monotremonta as my group that I want to get more information on. If I type it in here, Monotremonta, here it'll take me to the taxon information. So here, Monotremonta, monotremes is the group that we're looking at. And boom, here I've got examples. So I can look here and say, okay, if I need an example animal, here is the short-beaked echidna. I can use that as an example animal. I can look through some of the characteristics that it talks about there as far as what I want to put down for that part. It might tell me a little bit about their birthing process as well. So again, that should be able to help you with these. Again, the actual slideshow video presentation about what is a mammal should help you a lot with looking at these groups as well. So I highly recommend that as a resource. So again, I hope that this assignment is pretty straightforward. If you do have any questions about it, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can come into our Zoom office hours every weekday, Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.